Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna weigh the GTI. I also got Bryson along with me. He's gonna weigh his Focus ST as well. So I made sure that I didn't have a bunch of stuff in the car. You can see there, just got my floor mats, nothing up here. And then in the back, all I have is just my sunshade here. And this is all of like, I don't know, 1 pound. And then let's go in the trunk here. I do have the Volkswagen roadside assistance kit here, and also the first aid kit. This isn't that heavy. This is like, I don't know, maybe like 5-10 pounds ish. So we're gonna see what a full weight GTI weighs on a CAT scale. If you guys don't know what a CAT scale is, it's what semi trucks use to weigh like their axles and their trailer and everything like that. All right guys, and because Bryson's here with me, what's going on with the Focus ST as far as like weight is concerned? So you do have aftermarket wheels and tires, right?
Yeah, aftermarket wheels and tires. I'm not sure the specs on those. I don't even know if they weigh less. They might weigh more.
They're probably lighter than the factory wheels. I mean, I'm not sure.
Yeah, I mean, they're only 5 spokes, so it can't be.
You have no CAT, right?
I have no catalytic converter. I took out everything in my front grille, my active grille shutters.
Yep, no more grille shutters.
But other than that, it's pretty much stock weight. They weigh like 2,200 pounds stock, so.
2,200?
Or 3,200.
Yeah, okay. 3,200, yeah.
I wish it weighed 2,200. Yeah,
and then you do have like a couple bags in the back, right? Like 15 pounds worth of like bags.
I have my bowling stuff in the back. I forgot to take it out, so.
Okay, cool. So Focus ST, from the factory, it's supposed to be like around like 32. I think if you look online, it says 3223. Yep. So 3223 for the Focus. The GTI, it has like a range anywhere between like 3190 and 32 something, or it's something like that, but it's basically 3,200 pounds. So we'll see how accurate that is with a full tank of gas on a CAT scale. I don't even know how accurate those things are, but we'll see what it turns out to be. All right guys, so we're setting off now. One thing I forgot to mention is that he is actually on a half tank of gas. I'm on a full tank of gas, as you guys can see here, completely full, just filled it up the other day. And I forgot to mention as well that he has a straight pipe exhaust, so he doesn't have any sort of like mufflers or anything like that in his exhaust. So his car might actually be lighter than mine, but we'll see. We have a little bet going on where whoever's car is lighter doesn't have to pay for the CAT scale. I think it's only $14, but it'll be interesting to see if mine is heavier. It probably is with the full tank of gas. But I will catch you guys when we get to the truck stop. All right guys, here we go. Pulling up to the CAT scale now. Okay, and let's go ahead and see what it's gonna weigh. So this is how it works. So you have the first pad right here, second pad right there, and then the third pad's back there for the trailer of the semi trucks. Make sure you're off of the scale when we do it. Okay, here we go. Stand away from it. This button's like really hard to press.
Is the military move?
I'm sorry?
First way?
First way, yes.
Military?
What was that?
Is military or private?
Private.
Last name, please. Come on in with your plate numbers, please. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, so I guess it's weighed now. So we're gonna go inside now. What is your guess? What?
We keep it here?
No, we go inside. They already got it.
Oh. Wait, we have to give them our plate number?
Don't worry about it. All right, guys, I'm very curious to see what it's gonna weigh. My assumption is, I think it will be 3,300 pounds because of the roadside assistance kit and the full tank of gas. That's my guess. Let me know your guesses in the comments, and also the Focus. I think the Focus is gonna be, I think it's gonna be 3,260 is my guess. So we'll see. All right guys, we're walking inside now. What's your guess on the Focus? What do you think it's gonna weigh?
I think it's gonna be like, honestly, like 22 flat. 32. 3,200
flat?
Yeah.
That'd be nice. I think, I'm gonna say the GTI is 3,300 just because I have a full tank of gas, so that's my guess. All right guys, results are in. We just got done weighing both cars, and this is actually really impressive. They were a lot lighter than we thought. So the Volkswagen was at the front, so it's the steer axle. It's only 3,200 pounds, and then the Focus is only 3,120. So I had to pay for it, but the Focus is super light. That's really impressive, actually.
Yeah,
but you're half tank of gas, and I'm full tank of gas, though.
Half tank of gas, full tank. Yeah, honestly.
That's about it.
Wheels and like the exhaust system is really the only thing I can think of to be light. That you're not gonna be able to. The only thing I can think of is the wheels and like the exhaust system that made it so much lighter. Because that's 100 pounds.
That's really
That's
impressive.
100 pounds
Only,
off of factory.
Only 3,100 pounds. This is a cat scale. If they were to like adjust like round, they're gonna round up because they don't want to say like the semi trucks are too like lighter than they really are. So that's really good. 3,120, and then the GTI with a full tank of gas and the roadside assistance and first aid kit in it.
Hey, I still
is
got
only
my spare
3,200
tire.
pounds. Oh yeah, you got a spare
full
tire.
size spare.
So stay tuned for a future video where we come back and do a little bit of like weight reduction.
Take out the back seat.
Yeah, and I come back here with no gas in it.
Yeah. Gas light on.
All right, guys, definitely let me know what you guys think of those results. We're getting ready to go for a little spin in the Focus because he no longer has like his super crazy like crackle tune anymore. So we're gonna see kind of how it is now. All right, guys, just parked the GTI here, the 3,200 pound GTI. We're about to go for a little spin in the Focus ST. All right, guys, so we're back in the car here. It's still burbling.
Burbles, but it's not obnoxious bumps.
So how come you're lighter and make more power and you still lose in a race? Just kidding.
That's a good question.
Okay, yeah, that's not bad.
Like every once in a while, it builds up like fuel inside, obviously. So sometimes it'll pop like kind of loud, but it's not like excessively popping over and over. Have to redo all
dusted Aiden, right?
Dusted. I'm not gonna lie, I got him right off the hit and I never saw him.
Yeah.
Both times, I think.
Yeah, because the GTI versus him, like the GTI was a lot faster, and when we raced, it was pretty close. Yeah. So that makes sense. Wow, that pulls really good. Okay, the burbles you have now are a lot better. They're a lot better. Like, it still burbles like a lot. No, you're good. You can do whatever. It still burbles a lot, but it's not like, you know.
So you like downshift?
So what's like the most mildest like setting? Have you considered doing like the most mildest one?
That I have 3 maps. I have my no pups at all, but it's still stage 2, pushing the same amount of power, and then I have the progressive, and then I have extreme flame tune. And they're all stratified. They all do the same power. They all do like same power numbers, but they just sound different.
Yeah. You can definitely feel the torque though. Like this engine has a lot of torque. These burbles are so much better than the other ones.
Yeah, see, like, no, that, if I would have downshifted like that with my other two, no, just crazy.
Yeah, it's still a little aggressive, but it's a lot better than it was before, in my opinion. All right, guys, just got back from going for a ride in the ST. I think it's a lot better now, definitely. Let me know what you guys think of the video. Let me know what you guys think of the GTI's weight and the Focus ST's weight. Bryson, any final thoughts?
We'll see what happens when we do weight reduction.
Oh yeah, he's gonna take out the back seats and everything.
I'm gonna do everything.
But please give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.